Hello and welcome to the SmartSale's point of sale video tutorial series. In this video, we will walk you through the item panels and show you how to set them up. On the top right side of the screen, you will see a green panels button. Click this button to display all available panels. These panels act as shortcut buttons, similar to item grouping panels, but with greater customization options. At the top, you will see 5 panel groups. Each group can contain up to 20 items. Let's begin by editing a panel. On the right side of the screen, click Edit Panels. Make sure you are currently on Panel 1. If you do not see it, ensure the panels are open by clicking the green Panels button. To add an item to a panel, first click Add Item, then select the panel button you want to assign the item to. Choose an item from the list. Next, you can customize how the item appears on the panel. To change the description text, click Description, then select the panel button. Enter your custom text and click OK to save. You can also adjust the font size by clicking Font Size, selecting the panel button, entering the desired size, and clicking OK. To change the font color, click Font Color, select the panel button, choose a color, and click OK. To change the background color of the panel button, click Color, select the panel button, choose a color, and click OK. To add an image to a panel button, click Image, then select the panel button. Browse your computer for an image and click Open. If the description text appears over the image and you would like to remove it, simply edit the description and leave it blank. To reset a panel button and remove all assigned settings, click Clear button, then select the panel button you want to clear. Once you have finished editing the panels, click Done. You can now quickly add items to the bill with a single click. That concludes our tutorial on item panels. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email or call us. Thank you for watching.